Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I thought instead of doing my regular monthly favorites video, I would do something a little bit different and a little more dramatic, as I am. We're gonna do things I cannot live without. Obviously I can live without all these things, but I'm obsessed with them. I use them every day. If not, I just would repurchase them if I lost them, etc. So I'm super excited to share these with you. I have a little bit of everything and almost nothing is from Amazon, so it has like a lot of fun things that I usually don't get to talk about. So I'm super excited. Everything will be linked down below. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, and let's get into it. Also, I guess I'll address this situation. I am so ready for gift guides, holiday content, decorating the whole house. And because I cannot do that, because I technically have to wait until after Halloween, I decorated my office already. These are from Anthropologie and I'll link them down below. Had to mention it because I know someone will say, Philo, it's too early. Is it? I guess we'll talk about my hair first because I just saw it in the viewfinder and I feel like it actually looks really, really good, and that color that I was really wanting. And it's all due to this. I obviously got my hair done professionally, but to maintain the coppery reddish color in both my hair and my extensions, I've been using this. This is the Kristen S in Shower Gloss, and it's basically kind of like a toner, and it gives your hair, depending on the color that you buy, a different tone, a brighter tone, and it's really, really cool. When I was blonde, I used to use the Winter Wheat if my hair was too brassy, or the Golden one if my hair was too ashy. Now that I have reddish hair, this is such a good thing to do every so often, just to refresh my hair and make it a little bit more vibrant and a little bit more red. This is only $15 at Target, and at Ulta it comes in so many different shades. And honestly, if you're blonde and you've been wanting to try out being a redhead, I've seen so many people on TikTok do this and they say it lasts actually quite a bit. It's not permanent, it's not hair dye, so it's a really fun thing to try, especially around this time of year. I mean, I love how my hair looks every time I use it, and it actually doesn't damage it as much as dyeing it would, so I highly recommend. I've been waiting for the cold weather again so I could bring out this fanny pack. I am a huge fan of my Lulu dupe fanny pack that I got from Amazon, but this one though is so fun for the winter time and even the fall. I love the colors. I love the Teddy Sherpa brown leather. I feel like it goes with absolutely everything. It also comes in the black, like the opposite, the black, but I think the white one is just perfect for me. I love the size, it just fits so much. I love the fact that I can wear it as a belt bag or carry it like across my chest or on my shoulder. I always get so many compliments when I wear it out. I had planned to make this video before this situation happened, so I guess I'll talk about the Stanley, but I'm gonna give you guys a much more affordable, much easier to find alternative from Amazon. So I got the Stanley after seeing so many people talk about it. I think I've talked about this before. I can't justify I'm hungry. Justify the price point. I think $40 something plus for a tumbler is ridiculous. I don't understand the hype and the obsession with everyone getting different colors and things like that, but I think it's extremely convenient that it holds 40 ounces, that it's pretty lightweight, that it has a straw, that it has a handle, and that it fits in a cup holder. That being said, Amazon just released an alternative, if you will, and I will do a whole comparison very, very soon. Like I said, my gift guides are coming, so stay tuned. But y'all, this one is $20 something. It comes in very pretty colors. I actually prefer the lid and the look better. It's just much slimmer. It's still 40 ounces. Stay tuned for the full review, but I am obsessed with any sort of insulated tumbler that fits in a cup holder right now. Even if Dossier didn't work with me, if I didn't do any sponsorships for them, I would still mention these because there's nothing that I love more. I know my husband can hear me, that a man that smells good. Like, anyway, I'm just obsessed with the way men's cologne smells. So I love giving my husband colognes that I like so he can wear them. so I can sell them. Dossier like sends me perfumes every so often, and I always pick up colognes for my husband. It's like his favorite thing that I do. So I need to tell you guys about these three. He has a huge cologne collection, and when he wears these, I know, because they smell so much better than those designer ones that are triple, quadruple the price. And these start at $29. So these are by a brand called Dossier. They make perfume and colognes inspired by luxury designer perfumes and colognes, but like I said, they start at $29. They're affordable and they smell just as good, if not better, than the scent they're inspired by. I use them myself, but these are my favorites for my husband. This one is my number one, the Woody Basil. It just smells so dang good. Not too like in your face masculine, but like very earthy almost. And then this one I really like because it's really fresh. I feel like this one is better for like a night out, a special occasion. This one is good for like daily basis. And then this one is really good for like daytime activities, like if we were going to church or something. I feel like it's not super overpowering, but it still smells amazing. So Christmas is coming, the holidays are coming. If you need a good gift for your man, highly recommend, because it's honestly a gift for you and him, which is my favorite kind of gift. So you can use my code for 10% off. It's Philo10, and they have so many. Treat yourself too, because they have so many for women too. Thank you, Dossier, for working with me. I freaking love these. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably already saw this. I got these cabinet, like storage cabinets from IKEA, and I decided to use them to organize all of our holiday and seasonal decor. First of all, I love categorizing and organizing things like in this way with the Cricut, but these boxes or storage containers from the Home Edit collection from Walmart are incredible. When I tell you, I bought so many. They're very, very affordable compared to the Container Store, and they fit so much. They stack, they have handles. Some of them come with the front that's like a little bit open so you can easily grab them. You can use this for so many things, pantry, under the sink. You can use them to organize makeup products. So many different sizes too, but these are my favorite, and I just love how they look, and I love that they all stack on top of each other. I think it's a game changer. So if you're looking for ways to organize just things in your life, but you don't want to spend a ton of money, these are huge. They're great quality and they're affordable. Okay, I know it doesn't look like it because of course I have makeup on and, you know, the lighting and the camera and all that good stuff, but my nose is full of texture and full of very, very congested pores. It has been all my life. It is extremely genetic. My dad has the exact same problem, and so does my grandma. Like, it's something I live with. No primer, no skincare product, no chemical exfoliant, no facial, no vacuum pore cleaner, no what is that, the bio something strips. None of that works on me. I've tried, you know, vapor and steam, and it doesn't work. You know what has worked though? This thing. It's like $17, so it's a ton of money for nose strips. Actually, technically, I don't think these are the nose ones. I like the surface area of these better, but they are patches that literally suck out all the gunk and grossness from your pores and like bring it into the surface, or just like stick to the patch, and then you have like such clear skin. It's basically like a little circular pimple patch that you put on your pimple, but a huge version, and you can put it on your nose or on your forehead or chin, wherever you have problem areas, congested areas, and y'all, works like a freaking charm. My nose has never been better. It's like $17 from Target. You get 10 patches and it works so well. I was doing it, I think, like every 3 days last week, just because I wanted my skin to be really clean for my makeup for the wedding that I was going to. But I probably could do them like once or twice a week, unless I have like an event or something, and y'all, it makes the world of a difference. So if you suffer from the same thing, blackheads, whiteheads, congested pores, try this out, please. A skincare item that I've been using religiously for almost a year now is this. This is by the brand Versed, and it is the Baby Cheeks all-in-one hydrating milk. I like to keep my makeup and my skincare extremely simple simple, which is very unlike me now that I think about it, but I don't like to worry about too many products, too many steps, and this is just such a good product, especially for dry skin. I have super dry skin, I have really like dry patches, and I really like using micellar waters or any sort of like liquid to take off my makeup and to cleanse my face. This is both a toner and a cleanser and a makeup remover. So I just literally, this is a brand new one. I'm almost done with my other one. You just like push this down with a little cotton pad and then put it all over your face, and it doesn't dry out your face. It feels really nice and refreshing and extremely hydrating, and I just love it. It's great for sensitive skin. Usually things like this make me break out, and it's a great price. You can also get it at Target. I think I saw it on Revolve one day. You can get it a bunch of different places, and it's so worth it. I really like this brand. So guys, that's everything for today's video. These are all the things that I cannot live without, that I'm loving, that I had to talk about for a little too long, because I feel like y'all would love them too in some way, shape, or form. That is everything for today's video. Like I said, we're in full Christmas mode here, so as soon as November 1st hits, we're ready for Amazon gift guides, we're ready for Decorate With Me vlogs, Christmas decor, Christmas wish list. So if you're into the holidays, if you need gifting inspo, please subscribe to my channel, because it's my favorite time of year to post content, to recommend things to y'all. So I'm so excited for this holiday season. Thank you guys so much for watching and for being extremely patient with me in October. I feel like I say this at the end of every month, but like just months have just gotten away from me, and I blinked and it's almost November, and this year has been crazy. But I'm really looking forward to slowing things down, hopefully during the holiday season, and being able to be here with y'all way more. But I do appreciate y'all subscribing, checking in on me, DMing me, commenting on the videos. Y'all are amazing as always. I promise I will talk to you guys very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to Dossier for working with me and sponsoring today's video. We'll chat very soon, I promise.